Assalamu alaikum, my wonderful viewers. I welcome you to Fombia Fashion Design. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the notification button so that anytime we upload new videos, you get to see it. So today's video is going to be about this dress that is on your screen, which is a very simple dress. It is like a cow kaftan. Yes, you can make it long or short. So I started by laying my fabric on the floor. Then I fold it across like a bias form. So I fold it into bias form. So now I am straightening the shoulder. So then I take my full length from the shoulder to where I want my dress length to be. So that's what I'm marking now. So now I start cutting from the shoulder. So where I'm cutting now is half of it is my front and half is my center back. So after this, I'll cut another one. I'll just put this one on a different fabric and I'll cut the same like that. So the folded place is going to be my side seam. So now I've finished cutting it. So this is my full dress. I'm going to put this one on the other material. So this is a lace fabric that I'm using. So I'll put this one on it, then I'll cut the same side, the same size. So this is the shoulder that I'm cutting. So now I'm almost done. I'm done with cutting both sides. So half of each side is for front and half of each side is for back. So now I'm going to, from the folded side, I'm going to measure 7 inches for my open. That's the shoulder, measuring it from the shoulder, from the folded part where the shoulder is. That's where I'm notching my sleeve. So my hand is going to come out from the shoulder place. So now, as you can see now, the one that I'm going to pin now, that's half of the lace is for my center front and half of the other fabric is for my center back. So that's why I'm pinning now. So I'm going to sew that. After pinning, I'll go and sew it on my machine. So now I've finished sewing it. So look at how it is. I've finished sewing it now. I finished attaching it. So now I'm going to leave it like this. Then I'll cut my neck. remember, it is not where I sewn is not my side, it is my center front. So this place is for my center front, so I'm going to cut my front neck there. So the length of my front neck is 7 inches, and the width is 4 inches. So I'm making use of a V neck. I'm making use of V neck, and the back is going to be a round neck. So I finished with my front. So now I'm going to the other side to take my back neck. Remember, the width of my front neck was 4, so the same thing applied to the back. So I'll mark 4 inches, which is the width, and the length is also going to be 4 inches. I want a round neck at the back. So now I cut it. So now I've finished cutting my front and neck. So now I'm going to sew the shoulder, then I'll pipe my neckline. So I'm going to use a bias tape. This is a bias tape to pipe my neck. Then I sew from the shoulder and stop at where I notch my sleeve, where my hand is going to come out. So that's my sleeve, where my hand will come out. And this is my shoulder. So that's my shoulder. I'm going to sew there till where my notch stop. Piping my neck. I finished piping my neck. So that's my sleeve open. Don't forget, that's my sleeve open, and that the rest is my shoulder. So I mark my sleeve open, and the rest is for my shoulder. So now I'm going to shape the front. I'm going to shape it like a V shape from the front. So the front will be lower than the back. So the back will be higher than the front. So that's what I'm doing. I just mark 10 inches, then I shape it down. You can mark more than that. It depends on how you want your own to be. So you can see how it looks like now. So this is how the dress is going to look like. So now I'll go and sew the shoulder, then I'll sew the down, then I'll come and show you. As you can see, I finished sewing my shoulder. I finished sewing the shoulder. So this is my open for my hand. And I've also sewn the down. I've hemmed the down. So this is my kaftan dress. Thank you for watching. So this is how the end of our design for today. So thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so by pressing the button. It is free. Take care. Bye.